Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can fix that problem when you cannot receive WhatsApp notifications from your phone into your Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. So first of all, what you have to check, just simply go for notifications on the Huawei Health application. Make sure that you will turn on notifications, make sure that you are gonna enable WhatsApp notifications, and also turn off this mute notifications when using phone. And now, if the problem still appears, you have to go for a settings on your phone, search for the option when you can find all applications, and first of all you have to go for WhatsApp application and you have to turn on notifications. As you can see, I just turned on notifications in the Huawei Health application, but my WhatsApp for some reason got notifications turned off. This is the first thing. Next, what you have to also do, go for the Huawei Health application and enable access for notifications, and also go for app battery usage, enable allow background usage and select unrestricted, and just do the same for a mobile data usage, enable background data usage and get this unrestricted mobile data usage. If still not working, you have to also check on your phone for two modes, the do not disturb mode and the airplane mode. So you have to make sure that both modes are actually turned off, because those modes, the do not disturb and the airplane mode, block incoming notifications. And this is all my tips. Let me know if it works for you.